Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enter the crystal depths in Fish It Roblox. So the crystal depths is officially open. This is a new update in Fish It, and it is packed with the most beautiful fish we've ever seen. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can enter the area and items you need to survive the pressure, and a sneak peek at the new crystal fish tire. So in here you just need to go to the pirate cove first. So to enter the crystal depth, you need to go to this area and you need to buy these items first. The advanced diving gear, it costs 1 million coins, so you can just buy it in here, and after that don't forget to put it on. Okay, so if you just swim directly, you can go down. So what you need to do in here, you need to go to this boat and descend in here through this poles right here. So you're going down, and after a few seconds you'll be in the crystal depth. Okay, so here is the crystal depths. You can see it is so beautiful here. It's full of crystal, and some of the fishes are also beautiful, like this sapphire, and also there is this blossom jelly in here. So you can just explore and fish in this area to get those. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.